Hello, in front of me I've got HUAWEI MediaPad M5 Lite. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter display. Right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list where we can change brightness level of the screen manually. Then we can change color temperature of the screen. We can change sleep timeout between 15-30 seconds, 10 minutes or never. We can enable eye comfort mode, schedule it and change its temperature. Then we can change text and display size. Enable or disable smart resolution, and in more display settings we can set screensaver, enable carrier name in status bar and network speed in status bar. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.